Hello students and welcome back to Standard 10th History chapter number 9 Heritage Management. In the second part of this chapter we are going to learn 9.2 some famous museums. But before we learn many interesting things about the famous museums in the world, let us know what are museums. So museum, this is an institution that cares or it conserves a collection of artifacts and other objects of artistic, cultural, historical or scientific importance. Museums were created to organize and to manage the antiquities collected by the members of royal and elite families of medieval Europe members. Let us learn about some famous museums in foreign countries. The first museum about which we'll be learning is the Louvre Museum in France. The Louvre Museum in Paris was established in the 18th century CE. Antiquities collected by the members of royal family were exhibited in the Louvre Museum. Antiquities, these are the ancient artifacts dating from the Middle Ages and even from the earlier periods, that is called as the antiquities. So all such antiquities were exhibited in the Louvre Museum. And it also included the much acclaimed painting of Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci, the world famous artist. Leonardo da Vinci, he worked under the patronage of Francis I, the King of France in the 16th century. The collection in the Louvre Museum increased to a great extent because of the antiquities brought by Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte, he was the French military general. So from his conquest, he got a lot of antiquities which were exhibited in the Louvre Museum. Presently, the museum contains more than 3,80,000 artifacts. The next museum is the British Museum, England. The British Museum in London was established in the 18th century CE. Sir Hans Sloane, a natural scientist, handed over 71,000 objects in his collection to the King of England George II. And it included several books, pictures, specimens of preserved plants called as a herbarium. Later on, the collection was expanded by the addition of various art objects and ancient artifacts collected by the British people from the British colonies. Presently, the museum collection comprises of about 80 lakh objects. The next museum is the National Museum of Natural History, United States of America. This Museum of Natural History, managed by the Smithsonian Institution, was established in 1846 CE. And it houses more than 12 crores, that is 120 million specimens of fossils and remains of plants and animals, mineral, rocks, human fossils and artifacts. Now let us learn about the museums of India. The first museum in India, the Indian Museum, was established by the Asiatic Society of Bengal in Kolkata in the year 1814 CE. The second museum in India, that is the Government Museum, was established in Chennai in 1851 CE. And the National Museum was established in Delhi in the year 1949. Presently, there are several museums in various states of India. Usually, the big museums have their own archives and libraries. Also, some museums are affiliated to universities and they also offer courses in museology. Museology is the study of museum. It is a study which explores the history of museum and their role in a society, as well as it also includes the activities which are engaged like curating, preservation, organizing and managing the museum. Now let us learn which are some of the well-known institutes and universities which offer degree and diploma in museology. So following are the institutes and universities which offer degree and diploma courses in museology. The first one is National Museum, Delhi, Maharaj Sayajirao University, Vadodara, Kolkata University, Kolkata, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, and Jivaji University, Gwalior. The next famous museum is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya. In the year 1904 CE, some influential residents of Mumbai decided to establish a museum to commemorate the visit of Prince of Wales to India. And so, in the month of November 1905 CE, the foundation was laid of the museum building, and it was decided that the name of the museum would be Prince of Wales Museum of Western India. It was renamed as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya in the year 1998 CE. The building of the museum is built in the Indo-Gothic style. Indo-Gothic style, it was an architectural style mostly used in the British architect in India, especially for the public and government building in the British rule. This museum has been given the status of Grade 1 heritage building in Mumbai. The museum houses about 50,000 antiquities and it is divided into three categories: arts, archaeology and natural history. So dear student, this is all about the famous museums in the world. With this we end the second part of this chapter. In the third part of the chapter, we will be learning about the libraries and archives.